everyone, my name is Kaylin. Today I'm with my mom, so she's helping me.
Hi everyone.
First we need pancake powder, and then we need milk, and we need egg. And grab your favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is banana, so later we're going to cut it. So first, let's open the pancake powder.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
So pancake powder, opening.
Okay.
So
Open
second
it.
we need milk. Ready?
Firstly, milk.
Milk.
Open it.
I'm gonna open the milk.
All right. What's that?
Oh, is this squish?
Milk.
Okay, let's pour the
Yeah.
milk
Milk.
all in, and then we need to crack the egg.
Okay.
Oh, maybe we're cracking. Oh, okay.
All right. All right. All right.
Oh.
Oh, oopsie. Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay, that's a little bit too far.
Okay. You get the tissue.
I don't need it.
Oh, okay. You take your towel first. Okay.
So we have to squish it now.
Squish it now.
Yeah, so we're gonna put this thing.
Is it mix it?
You mix it, because
you do that?
we can't do it.
Yeah, you can mix it.
You didn't put it up.
You mix it? You do that? Okay.
You cannot squish it too far because my mom cut the zipper. Mom accidentally cut the zipper off too.
Let's try to mix it.
Yeah, so we can't open it, Mom.
Okay, all
You
right.
do it,
You
so-
do that and mix it.
Because
Okay.
last time I didn't do the video, so because last time I cannot get it all squished
Why?
with my mom because I accidentally made the egg.
That's it to make it.
Yeah, and my mom said, "Oh no, you made the egg! Hurry up and squish it back!" And my mom helped me squish it back because that was an accident.
Yeah.
So I hope we get it
Yeah.
squished this time because
Squish it this time. Yeah.
my mom cut this they open and she
it's all right.
oh yeah
It's all right. No problem.
mom
Yeah.
just accidentally
Yeah, so
did
sorry. It's okay. Yeah.
oh it's still not slip
Okay. All right.
it. Oh, it's still not slip. Let's just do it the normal
Okay.
way.
You mix it around 1 minute.
All right, we'll
Okay.
mix around
Yeah,
1
1
minute.
minute. And I will come again. Okay, bye. I will come again.
Bye. Hi, welcome back.
You gotta prepare.
Now we prepare banana. So before I wash my hands because there's a lot of germs, and now we're peeling the banana.
Okay, you should be good. Okay, cut it. Hold it. And then cut it.
Two,
Oh, yeah. Good.
3,
Yeah.
4.
Too big? Yes.
And 2.
Yes.
I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done. Okay,
Can
next
you
step.
give me the towel, Mom?
Okay. Right.
Wait,
Okay. You just prepare the pan.
prepare the pan.
Yeah. You prepared it.
The pan.
Ooh,
So we're going to make
okay.
something. Pancake, you already know because.
Please, you guys, please be careful with
Please be careful because there's fire.
it.
So not really fire. I'm just joking.
Yes, just okay. But please be careful that this is a little bit hot, right? Yeah. Okay. I'll give the spoon. It will be better. You give some more water, please. Yes. Alright.
Extra big.
Okay.
We need some more.
Okay, enough.
Alright, that's too much maybe.
Okay.
I don't want to be that much big.
Okay. Just
So we're gonna put it in We want to be bigger.
Is it bigger? Is it enough?
Yeah, no.
Get
And
it middle size. You can get it more, right?
Alright, so we're gonna
Yeah.
have to wait because that was a pretty small one. So because this is a little small. That's a little small.
Oh, okay. All right.
Alright, it's
Let's try
time.
it. No,
Oh.
no, not ready. No, wait. You wait around 3 minutes.
Yeah, a few minutes more.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I don't think it has more butter.
Will be better.
The upper the fire. Good.
Smell
It smells so good. I think now it's okay.
Yeah, you do
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Oh, I don't think it's not ready. It's not ready, Mom.
Yeah, it's
Mom,
not ready?
Not ready.
I feel it's ready. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, wait. What's that?
Pancakes flipping.
Flipping. Yeah.
Can I try flipping?
Oh, yeah, it's
Push
good.
to play.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's
It's
good.
ready. Yeah, you did it.
Right, so we need a
Yeah.
new plate. Oh,
Hold it, hold it.
yeah,
Hold this
hold
way.
it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna make one more.
You want to make one more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you need to put.
I want four.
Yeah, you want 4.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You put it down, and then you.
And we put it in the spoon. So.
Yeah, you butter. All right.
Whoa! That a little bit.
Yeah.
Careful, Mom. Don't want stress. Alright,
Alright,
it's time to
yeah.
cook pancakes. Mom, this one is a mini size too because
Oh, okay.
we wanna
Mini size
make
too.
4
Right.
because
Yeah. Okay. All right.
we want to make 4,
You
okay?
want to make 4, so should I have the middle size? Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it.
It'll be flying a little bit so
Yeah.
you don't want to really stare for too long. So cover it.
You just stay.
Yeah, we have to stay.
waiting.
Wait, and be
Wait.
patient, guys.
Yeah, be patient. Okay, all right.
Alright, it's time to flip it over.
Okay. Ooh, what's that? You
It's
hold it.
pancake.
Yours pancake. Oh.
Okay, so
You see,
Mom,
can more bubbles,
Yeah.
right? It's around ready. It's good. Okay, you forget it. Ooh, it's good. Smell
that
it.
smells.
It's okay, it's okay, okay.
It's a little butter over there. We forgot.
Okay, you do that. Okay, it's ready.
Okay, it's ready.
Okay.
Where's the plate?
Yeah, where's the place? You hold it. You put it here.
Oh,
Okay. All right. Today I just make 2 today. All right. Okay. And then put some.
bananas and
Yeah.
some butter.
Yeah. What things do you like? You can put.
Alright,
Okay,
let's turn it off the
Please be
temperature.
careful. It's quite hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smells so good.
You show the guys to
And
do
now
that.
we're
Yeah.
going to-
What things do you decorate? You just want to the butter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You put the butter.
We need-
And
We want the
then,
knife.
yeah. Okay, just a little bit. All right.
This one's mommy.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
That's a lot of butter.
Use a lot of butter. You like butter?
Yeah.
She's very like butter. So, and then put some banana for decorate. Okay, maybe you can do that. All right.
Okay.
You can put some butter.
Oh.
It's enough. It's enough. It's enough.
And for the bottom.
Okay.
I don't think this one came good because that one's a little fluffy, but this
Okay.
one's
You put some
bananas.
fruit.
Okay.
Fruit.
Hold.
Yeah. Okay. You decorate.
Oh.
You put all the middle. Oops.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
Help, help, help.
Hop, hop, hop. Okay. Oh, it's good.
Ew, ew, ew. I can't. It's still so slippery. Help, Mom.
Okay.
It's so slippery.
All right.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Just spoon for you. Okay.
Banana's running away from me. I want to put one in the middle, Mom.
Middle?
Yeah. And here, side, and the bottom. No, Mom, here.
Oh, sorry. As you like, maybe you can put some cream or honey, but as you like. In this time, she just add the butter and the banana. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Enjoy. See you.